po sa ating lahat. Ayan, nandito po si Kuya Alex para mag-practice po ulit. Dahil sasabak na naman po tayo sa kantahan. Ayan, wala po tayong ginawa maghapon dahil nagpahinga po muna tayo. Magkanta muna tayo guys ha. We've said it all 1,000 times before. Been to the world and always found somewhere to turn. There was always more to learn. We've reached the end and almost closed the door. Someone will end. I never can remember who. All I know is that we found the strength to make it through. Love always finds a way when the clouds of noise are lighting. She comes through shining. Love always sees the light through the darkest night, and a small wise love always finds a way. Holding you near after the storm has passed, it becomes clear when all our tears are finally dried, that no matter how we fools we try to turn the tide of love, always finds a way when the clouds of noise are lighting. She comes through shining. Love always sees the light through the darkest night, and the small ways that always finds a way. And those moments when the magic seems to fade, we must remember then that's the time to keep on believing and not be afraid. If we would trust in what we really feel, the two of us can hold tomorrow in our hands. All it takes is just the fear to truly understand that love always finds a way when the clouds of love silver lining comes through shining. Love always sees the light through the darkest night, and the small ways always finds a way. Gonna find a way. Love's gonna find a way. Love always sees the light through the darkest night, in the small ways love always finds a way. Love always finds a way when there's no silver lining. She's gonna come through shining. Love always sees the light through the darkest night, and the small ways love always finds a way. Ayan, thank you so much po guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo po yung kantang to. Ayan, practice muna tayo guys ha, dahil matagal na po tayo hindi kumakanta. Kinalawang na po. Thank you so much po. Thank you for watching po. Ako po ulit si Kuya Alex. Bye!